Kuwait Airways will send a plane to Milan, Italy to evacuate its citizens on Thursday, while the United Arab Emirates Embassy in Rome advised its citizens to postpone travel to Italy and for those already in the country to avoid infected areas. Italy has registered more than 400 coronavirus cases, while the death toll rose to 12 since last Friday. Kuwait Airways announces that, in coordination with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Interior and the General Administration of Civil Aviation, it will operate one special flight to the city of Milan in Italy to evacuate Kuwaiti citizens, the airline said on its Twitter account on Wednesday. Meanwhile, the UAE advised its citizens to postpone any travel plans to Italy and for those already in the European country to avoid infected areas and to follow the Italian authorities' instructions, according to a tweet by the UAE's embassy in Rome on Wednesday. Rapid increase of coronavirus in Iran raises fears of spread across the Mideast. The coronavirus outbreak in Italy is centered in Italy's industrial heartlands of Lombardy and Veneto, and the government has closed schools and universities, shuttered cinemas and banned public events in an effort to prevent the spread of the infectious disease.